Do what?
Do painting with me.
Can you go to the girls?
I talked to Chris a little bit.
How is she?
Oh, she misses me.
Do painting with me.
It's been a hard, weeks for you guys. There's gonna be separation anxiety. Hello, Lee.
What do they say? Absence makes the heart grow fonder.
Of course, the mother-in-law makes the
I know your mom's enjoying, She's like, I got my granddaughter, my daughter-in-law.
Well,
Life is good.
what happened? I think for whatever reason, Sunday night, the schedule was way off.
I'm sitting with you.
She's like,
Dad, you're the
and
painter.
she's like, oh, we're just.
I would love to paint with you.
Paint with
And
me
then I
now.
called her at 9:30, and I was like, oh, she's like, oh, we're eating now. I was like, you're eating. That's just sometimes how my mom operates.
Yeah,
She's
yeah,
like,
like,
paranoid.
oh yeah, all of our mom.
It's just
What color are you painting it?
Making it.
So, and that I think threw us in this.
What other colors are you going to use?
Kind of
I
Thank you.
cranky the last couple days.
I'll tell her to bring it back to me.
She got her scooter.
Oh,
She's been riding the scooter on the
Yeah.
house
Yellow.
all week now.
really? Oh. Does your mom have a big backyard?
In the house.
In the house, yeah. Oh, in the house.
In the house. Yeah.
Your grandma doesn't care. Scratching those floors, she
It'll be kind
doesn't
of like
care.
this type of thing, right? She's
Right.
got, yeah, she's just got.
Yeah.
She can go around like the island. And
Right.
stuff,
Aww. She's got to show us her moves when she
Yeah,
gets
well,
here.
hopefully
Sophia, can you say bye-bye?
She's kind of.
Bye-bye.